The paper GSM testing machine is a specialized instrument designed to measure the grams per square meter (GSM) of paper and similar sheet materials with absolute accuracy. In the paper, packaging, and printing industries, knowing the exact GSM is essential, as it defines the quality and performance of the paper in its end use, providing a quick, reliable, and repeatable measurement. The paper GSM testing machine complies with international standards, ensuring trusted and globally accepted results. Contact us today to discover how the paper GSM testing machine can add precision and value to your testing needs.